Hello students and families, this is Mrs. Bond and I have sent home this evening a study guide for our cumulative test that we will be taking tomorrow. We have taken the time to go over this, but we did not have a chance to get to the last question, which is certainly one of the most difficult ones. So I told the students I would send a quick video home. Number 9, McCullough's family is renting a storage unit. The storage facility gave McCullough's family this sketch of a storage unit right here. What is the volume of the storage unit? So first of all, we remember, and the students will have with them or have access to, that volume equals length times width times height. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to just cut this into pieces, into different prisms. So in my head, I would cut it right here. Some people might also cut it this way. That's fine. I'm just going to do this, and I'm going to relabel them. I'm going to label this. Oh, you know what? Oh, yeah, I'll do it that way. I'm going to label this box prism A, and this is prism B. So then for the volume of A, I need length times width times height. So I'm going to look. Volume A, here's my length equals 4. My width equals 5, and my height, ooh, now does it? No, my width does not equal 5 because that would only go halfway. I've got to look back here, and this is going to be my width. My height then, I'm going to find over here is 7 feet because it's the same. All of these heights are the same. So now it will be 7 for my height times 8 for my width times 4. And you can do this in any order that you want to, that's fine. So if I do 4 times 8 is 32, 32 times 7, everyone has learned traditional multiplication. It's 224. So the volume of A is 224 feet cubed, cubic feet. So then we're going to go and we're going to look for the volume of B. So I'm going to do the same thing and find a little space here. For B, I've got my length here. It's a little easier, width, and my height of 7. Notice, if your student is looking, we're not going to take 9 because we have split this way. Okay, so we have 5 times 3 times 7. And do 15 times 7. Some students may know that right off the top of their head, but if not, they all know how to do traditional multiplication. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 3 is 10. So the volume of B is 105 feet cubed, or cubic feet. So to find it all together, don't forget, now we've got to take the volume of A plus the volume of B. And that will be 224 plus 105. Gives us a total volume of 329 feet cubed. Now it says, McCullough's family estimated that they would need a volume of 15 cubic yards. How many cubic feet of storage space do they need? Hint, there are 3 feet in a yard. Well, if I'm thinking about a cube, now first of all, a lot of our students, we have studied this, and they will know off the top of their head that 1 cubic yard equals 27 feet cubed because we've been working on that. But if they forget, the way they can find that is if this is 1 yard, 1 yard, 1 yard, and that equals 3 feet, 3 feet, 3 feet, then we're going to simply multiply 3 times 3 times 3. And that gives us 9 times 3, which is 27 feet cubed. So if this says 15 cubic yards, how many cubic feet of storage? Okay, so if 1 cubic yard has 27 cubic feet, now we're going to have to do 15 cubic yards times 27 cubic feet in a yard, and that will tell us our total. Now, I happen to just like to put the bigger number on top, so I'm going to do that. 7, make sure you can still see. 7 times 5 feel like I need to move over, is 35. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 3. Making space here. 1 times 7, put my 0 here because I'm going to multiply by 10s. 1 times 7 is 7, 1 times 2 is 2. Add them up. 405, so they need 405 cubic feet of storage space. Is the storage unit large enough for Makalo's family? We are going to say no, so we're comparing that they need 405 feet, but that is greater than what we have, which is 329 feet, cubic feet. So we will say no, it is not large enough. His family needs 405 feet cubed, and the volume of the unit is 329 feet cubed. So I hope that helps. I know this video is kind of long. I will be willing to help them tomorrow as well, but I just wanted to give you a little tool to help them in case they need to review it this evening. So thank you so much. Have an awesome night. Bye.